Hi guys, welcome back to another short and sweet eye tutorial. I'm going to start off by taking some Coty Airspun powder, just set that underneath my eyes to catch any fallout. The super attractive faces are not required. Then taking my ColourPop Yes Please palette, I'll be going into the lightest shade like I always do to set a base on my lid. And then I'm going to take the light medium brown and start building that up in my crease. I just take a little bit of color and blend and keep building that up. Next I'm going to take the Subculture palette from Anastasia and use the shade Axis and apply that all over the lid. As you can tell, I was having a rough time with this shade. It's just pretty patchy, which normally I would care, but for this look it's going to be covered up by glitter, so I just needed the base color. So I went back into that brown shade again and used that in my crease just to diffuse any harsh line between the two. Then I went ahead and used the NYX glitter primer. This is like a glitter glue, and I just pat that onto my entire lid. And then I took the NYX glitter. This one's in the shade Dark Side, and I just used a flat brush to pat it onto the lid right where I put that glitter glue. And then repeat those steps on the other eye. So now that I'm done with using loose glitter, I can sweep off the excess powder on my base. And I'm going to take that same brown shade again for the lower lash line, and then take this darker brown for the outer corner of the lash line. For my inner corner, I use the Tarte highlight in Exposed. And to add some drama, I'm using these red aspen lashes. These are in the style Priya. They're super fluffy and faux mink and just beautiful. I really like them. I went ahead and lined my lips with the NYX lip liner in Stockholm, and then I went in on top of that with the Laura Geller Color Luster lip gloss. And that was it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.